Good morning students. In the last video, we have seen that the basic information about Param chakra, and it is the highest military award or decoration, and the designer of the Param chakra and its appearance, how it looks. In this video, we will see the importance of Indra's Vajra, Indra's weapon, okay, and the sage the Dadichi's sacrifice, okay, of his life. Okay, so let's start. Indra's Vajra or thunderbolt is supposed to be a matchless weapon, but what makes the weapon invincible is the supreme sacrifice of the sage Dadichi. Okay, so Indra's Vajra is the weapon of Indra, okay, or thunderbolt. Thunderbolt means a flash of lightning with a clap of thunder that strikes at something. Okay? It's supposed to be a matchless weapon. Okay? Matchless means something which cannot be equaled. Okay? Cannot be compared with. But what makes the weapon invincible? Invincible means unbeatable, impossible to defeat, is the supreme sacrifice of the sage Dadiji. So why it is so important, unbeatable? Because of the sacrifice of sage Dadiji. Let's see what he sacrificed. According to legend, thousands of years ago, a demon had stolen all the water in the world. So according to the legends, okay, thousands of years ago, a demon had stolen the water over the earth. Okay, innocent people were suffering and dying without water. So there was no water in the world. So innocent people were suffering and dying without water. We can't live without water, no? This demon could not be defeated by any ordinary weapon made of ordinary material like wood, metal, etc. So that demon could not be defeated by ordinary weapon. So normally we have seen weapons made up of wood or metal. Okay, but that demon is different. That cannot be defeated by such simple ordinary weapons. For that they need the special weapon. Something extraordinary was required. Something extraordinary special weapon was required to kill him. It was learned that the sage Dadichi had bones of such extraordinary power. So it was learned that the sage Dadichi had such type of bones which are extraordinary, which contains extraordinary power. But how could one ask for the bones of a living man? But how can anyone ask him to give his bones? Okay, he is living. So how can anyone dare to ask him to give his bones? Sage Dadichi was a noble person, but he was a gentleman. He was an ideal, good person. He himself laid down his life and gave his own bones to help the people. But he was very ideal, noble, gentleman. He himself laid down his life. Okay? So, he sacrificed his life. Okay? To help the people. He gave his own bones. Indra's Vajra, Indra's weapon of thunderbolts, was fashioned from these bones, and the demon was defeated. So Indra's weapon, which is called Indra's Vajra, was prepared, made up of these bones. Okay, and then The demon was defeated with the help of this weapon. Just as the Vajra derived power from Sage Dadichi's bones, the Indian military derives its strength and power from the sacrifice of the bravest of the brave, the Paramvir chakra holders. So, why Indra Vajra is special? Okay, invincible, because it is made by the bones of Sage Dadichi. For that, he have sacrificed his own life. Okay, so they are very important. So, as the weapon derived the power from the bones of Sage Dadichi, in the same way, Indian military derives or gets, derives means gets, its strength and power from the sacrifice of the Paramvir chakra holders. Okay, so you have understood why Indra's Vajra are invincible and the importance of sacrifice of the Sage Dadiji.